Alright, so in this video we're going to be looking at how we can make a half adder on Logisim. So for this, what we need is an AND gate and an XOR gate. So in this case, our XOR gate is going to be representing our sum and our AND gate is going to be representing our carry. I'm going to put it like this just because it's going to be looking nicer. And so we're going to have two inputs for this, correct? Let's get our two inputs over here, nice and lined up. And now let's connect both of our inputs to our XOR gate. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to get an output for this XOR gate. So let's do that. Let's get an output like so. And let's give a connection to it. Now what we need to do is connect our AND gate to this over here, to our input. So we're going to take this one over here, put it here. Take this one over here and put it over here. Now what we're going to be doing is getting an output from to our AND gate. So let's connect that now from here to here. Okay, so now we have both our sum and our carry. Now let's get to simulating this. So what you need to do is just change our values using this finger icon. So if you have 0, 0, of course our sum and our carry will be 0, 0. Let's say I had 1, 1, 0. I know my sum will be 1 and I won't have any carry. But let's say I have 1, 0 like this, it'll be the same type of idea. Now let's say I have 1, 1. Now right now I have a sum out here of 0 and my carry will be outputted as 1. So that's it for the half adder. Hope it helped. Have a good day.